There are two mistakes that people make when it comes to replacing or maintaining a roof. On the one hand, they replace it too early because they have a leak or they just think it's time. On the other hand, they replace it too late because they try to put it off and they think they're saving money by putting it off. Both of those are the most expensive mistake that you can make when it comes to your roof. Personally, I buy value, right? And so I'm always looking, when I deal with my customers, how do I give you the best value? And I want to think about your roof as it's not your roof, it's my roof. What would I do if I am spending my money? And I would certainly not replace it before it's time, but I certainly wouldn't neglect it, right? The sweet spot is we come here in the middle and we do restoration, preservation, right? Our Max Life program, because that is the least expensive way for you to own your roof and at the same time minimize leaks, headaches, problems.